There are times that you may not get along with your coworker. And we're heading back to the class. Guys, I have one subscriber.
Jelly.
Hello everybody, good morning. I just woke up and the time is 6:38. So I'm gonna take a shower. I'm done taking showers. Hi, we're eating breakfast here at the canteen. I'm with Jem. Hello, Julia. Hi, Farah. Hello, mga kumars. We love coffee so much, we drink it 3 times a day. Ikaw lang. Charot.
Ikaw lang kasi apat sa
Hi everybody, I'm with Para. We're going to our first period. This
$5.
Whoa.
So rich.
Oh, Charas, can you give me some dollars?
No. No.
With you're so cute. What is summer in Vietnamese?
Mùa hè.
Mùa hè. Is that right?
That's right. Correct.
Yay!
Tang ano ma?
Hey, I told you some Filipino word.
Yeah. I still
What is
remember.
it? Do you remember?
Sobra.
Sobra. What else?
Salamat. Ate.
I'm at the canteen. I just finished my lunch and now I'm having a second lunch. It's coffee soda. Another bread. You know what? There are so many things that I learned upon 3 years of staying here in Vietnam. First is you are replaceable. Even though you think that you are really good at what you do, you know, you have this many years of experience, there is always room for improvement. And this is good. Second is you have to choose your battle. There are times that you may not get along with your coworker, and that's okay. I think you just have to choose peace first, like peace of mind, because if you have peace of mind, it's going to be easy for you to do what you want to do every day, which is teaching. Hey, we're heading to our first period in the afternoon. You have to bring your microphone because if not, you're gonna lose your voice. I tried it like without a microphone. I only lasted for like 1 week. Yeah. What is the biggest challenge that you faced so far in teaching?
Harap na ko English dahil ako pang i-prepare ako English para umiyain na bang talan.
Yes, so basically I'm walking because I forgot my phone and I needed to sign into my computer. Okay, so we got our phone already and we're heading back to the class. I don't understand Vietnamese.
Oh, this is nice.
What month is it today? The vocabulary one that... You know, the last class that I have is a little bit difficult to handle. That class really sucks out all of my energy and I have to like really mentally prepare myself for every single time I had a class. But that's the reality of teaching, you know? Like, you can never have a perfect class and no matter how hard, sometimes you try to prepare for it, there are times it's gonna go wrong.
Like in the movies. Like, kita ko mga model sa PH Care.
Why PH Care?
Because nobody cares. Sing dep. M. Sigay. Sigay.
Wala na, suko siya!
Mày đây là mày gì?
Hả?
Đây là quay video à?
Không biết!
Phim à?
Film. Sorry, Jelly. Subscribe to my channel, Teacher Jelly. Follow me. Yeah.
Guys, I have 1 subscriber.
Jelly. Jelly.
Phim hả cô?
Wala. Ang Pilipinas.
Come on. I pass.
I'm safe. Teacher in Vietnam.
A day in the life as a teacher in Vietnam. I have my coffee fix already.
And her veggies. Because
Veggies.
she's a goat. Olga, where is your car? My car? It's everywhere. Isn't that your car? Hi. Wanna come?
Yeah.
Let's go. Not this car. I don't wanna use this one.
Okay.
What do you want?
Yeah, there. I want
Okay.
that car.
So here, let me turn it on. This is the real.
This is the
Real car.
real car, the fastest
Yeah.
car of all.
The most expensive.
Yeah. Did you get that for 1 billion BND,
Oh my
right?
gosh, that's so cheap. 3 billion, right?
No, zillion. Guys, I think wala ko kabayad katong may ato ko canteen.
Eat and run. Let's eat and run.
Hello, I feel so bad. I made them subscribe to the channel and I didn't even
That's
pay.
free.
Hello, kalain. Sige lang, ugma mo, balik ugma.
Tomorrow na lang.
Yeah.
Pay them double.
Right now I'm going to my other job, my other part-time, and it takes like 30 to 40 minutes on a bike. You know, this spot, I always wanted to go here every time I go to my part-time job. I'm here already and I'm eating this. I'm just happy I wasn't late. So I'm gonna start my class at 5:30. I still have 4 minutes to eat dinner. Con khỏe không? Xin chào mọi người. Mình là Zali. Đây là
Bonjour. Hi to everybody.
How are you today? Yeah. That student just told me that she has a boyfriend. So we're heading home. Everybody's waiting for the train. I am home. You know, at this point, I'm so tired. Di na ako kabalo masorti og English. So, magbisaya na lang ko. Grabe kakapoy. I think, ang pinakakapoy ang biyahe. Kaya grabe ang biyahe. Like around 40 minutes to 30 minutes ang biyahe pa dari back and forth sa ako ang part-time man. I'm happy that I'm here in Vietnam, to be honest. And I love the challenge. I like my working environment. I love the people that I work with. So I think that would be all for today. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Shout out to my 2,000 subscribers who are all my friends. I am forever grateful for all the people who have supported me, and I will never ever forget you. So thank you so much for watching, and yeah, see you next time. Goodbye.